Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to copy apps and data from Android to Android. If you are using Android phones and now you want to copy your data, so let's see how can you do this. First of all, you just have to look for EasyShare app in your phone. Just open it. If you can't get it, you can easily install it from Play Store. Just open Play Store, go for search, and here just search for EasyShare. You just have to search for this one, and here just open the app as I have already installed. So just have to open the app, and here just select file transfer in the both phones, and here just select send from which phone you want to send your data, and select receive from which phone you want to receive data. As I'm going to send from this phone and receive from this phone, so just tap on it, and here it will start scanning for the nearby devices. So you just have to wait for this one until it scans the second phone. Just like that, just tap on the name to connect with. So these devices are being connected. You just have to wait for this. Just tap on it again if you can't connect. So you can easily use a QR code. Just scan this QR code to connect with the second phone. Here, just tap on allow, and then these devices will connect. You just have to select your apps and data which you want to send. As I'm going to send this one, just tap on it, and then select the apps which you want to get. And here videos, images, music, files, and contacts. You can easily transfer everything from your phone. So just tap on send to send your data. So that's how you can easily copy your apps and data from Android to Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.